So where are we today? Today we are in this gorgeous location and we are going to be doing a couple of camera firsts. New to the channel, some new technology. Thank you very much to the people who bought our house and have enabled our new toys. So look at this gorgeous place where we are at in an opportunity to play with our new toys. So, what do you have there, Ange?
I have my new Canon EOS digital camera that Matt got me for my birthday, and I have a telephoto 100 to 400 lens that I put on it. It also came with a more standard size lens, which is a 24 by 105, and we're going to be playing with it today too.
Gonna have good shots today?
I sure hope so. I haven't used a big camera like this in a long time.
And we are all set up out here in this gorgeous field, and we've got a little viewing stand, and we're gonna have a gorgeous afternoon here in Palmer.
Out in a field in Palmer, Alaska, we kick things off by showing off some of our new camera gear before Matt gets a drone lesson from Stephen with the Academy of Model Aeronautics, or AMA. Matt joined the local AMA chapter so that we could use their flying field, a great resource for local drone pilots to learn, practice, and connect. We had a ton of fun over 2 days. On the first day, Matt learned the basics with Stephen. By day 2, I was back in Alaska, and Matt got to pass on what he had learned while teaching me how to fly. My dad and I also enjoyed testing out my brand new Canon DSLR, capturing memories from our time in the field. 2 days of drones, cameras, coffee from Vagabond Blue, and plenty of laughter. Just the way we like it.
I've been so many places, I've seen them all with open eyes. Seen islands, open spaces, Serengeti sun slowly rise.